Today we're testing the new feature in N8N built with AI. We'll build something simple and see how it works for us. Let's build an AI agent that will help with newsletter growth. What do you think this agent could be? How can we start with building with AI? Assume that we don't know anything about N8N. Click here, build with AI. How can we make sure we're building the correct AI agents? Say, build an AI agent that would help me with my newsletter growth. The name of my newsletter is Due Now. And I help people with automations with N8N. Let's see. Wow, this is amazing. We have here the newsletter growth agent. It's still working. We're adding memory. Wow, this is amazing. And even tells you how to set it up. Here, content idea generator tool, newsletter analytics. We need to do here, set up each node separately and connect to your credentials. And here's what the agent can do. Wow. Provide generate content ideas for NNA automation tutorials. Perfect. And it also has a memory. That's amazing. That's cool. This is great because any project that you would want to automate, you can use the N8N built-in AI workflow builder and create any automation. And after creating it, of course, add your credential and test it. That's great. I also added the send email preview note after the newsletter growth agents. Now, when the newsletter growth agents generate everything for me, it would send me an email and I will check the content, of course, edit, and then I can schedule. All these nodes need to be set up, but that's pretty cool because any automation that you want to create, you can come here and ask N8 AI and it will build the node for you. All you need to do is connect with your own models, APIs, and then activate. This will work for you on autopilot. That's amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.